YouTube are always updating their features, and this week we've been blessed with a brand new end screen editor. It's quite a big change from the old end screen editor, so this week I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to get you up and running in YouTube's new end screen editor for 2020. If you're not sure what end screens are or why you should be using them on your videos, then check out the beginning of this video up here and then come right back and find out how to use the new tool. So we access the new end screen editor the same way as the previous version. In the video details section of the Creator Studio, click end screen. Initially this screen can look quite confusing, but don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Each element that you add to the video is now called an end screen, and you can see in the top left you have an option to add end screen. Next to that you have import from video. If you've made end screens before and you're keeping the same layout, this is a quick and easy way to add end screens to your videos. In the section below you'll find templates for your end screens. If you're starting from scratch, this will give you a base point to work from, but today I'm going to show you how to build your own end screens. At the very bottom you'll find the editing tools. We'll dive into those in a second. So let's get started. I'm going to add 2 videos and a subscribe button end screen. Start by clicking the add end screen in the top left. Here you've got 5 options for different end screens. The only one which may be blocked off is link, as you need to join the YouTube Partner Program to use this feature. We're going to select video as our first end screen. You can see this has added the end screen down the bottom in the editor. But back up here we have options for which type of video that we would like to add. Most recent upload is pretty straightforward, it's the last thing you uploaded to your channel. Best for viewer uses YouTube's algorithm to pick a video that they think the viewer will be interested in, or you can choose your own video with choose specific video. For this end screen I'm going to pick one of my own videos. I'm going to select this. Up the top we now have 2 tabs, one for your videos and one to search the whole of YouTube for any videos that you may want to feature. So you could use this if you have appeared in another video on another channel and you want to cross promote it. I'm going to pick a video that's related to the one that the viewer has just watched. If the video is related rather than random, then the viewer will be more likely to click and watch it. Okay, so that's that element done. It's time to add another end screen. Again, I'm going to choose video. This time I'm going to select best for viewer. The last end screen I'm going to add is for a subscribe button. So just follow the same steps as before. As soon as you click this option, it will add the subscribe button end screen. There aren't any extra options here, but you can click to see an outline of where the box will appear when you hover over the end screen. This is handy to make sure it doesn't cover up any key information in your video. Okay, so now there are 2 things left to do. Rearrange the end screens and adjust the timing. We'll start with the rearranging. This is as simple as clicking and dragging the end screen to where you want it. The only condition is that the end screens can't overlap and it has to stay within this striped box in the center. The last step is to adjust the timings. At the bottom you can see the end screen editor. One of the great new features is the ability to see thumbnails of different time points in your video. This makes it quick and easy to find the start of your end screen. So mine's around here. You can also click and scrub around just to fine tune it a little bit more. So I want my subscribe to start here. Take your cursor to the beginning of the end screen and click and drag the start point up to the line. Do the same for when you want each end screen to start. Click save and you're all done. As I mentioned before, once you have done this for the first time, it's just a case of importing the end screens to your next video. So when you're importing, if you want to edit any of the elements, like I want to change this video here, just click on the pencil on the right hand side and then click which video you want to link to. So to wrap up, End screens are a great way of directing your viewers to more of your content, and it's never been easier to set them up with YouTube's new end screen editor. What do you think of the new end screen editor? Is it better or worse than the old one? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell to catch my weekly videos all about growing your business through YouTube.